Hello my friends, I'm John, the Carnivore Teacher. Welcome back to this mini-series, How Carnivore Heals the Organs of Our Body. Today we are focusing on the largest organ you have, your skin. That's right, the skin is not just a covering, it's an organ, and one of the most vital. Let's dive into what it does, why it suffers, and how an animal-based carnivore approach can help it heal and thrive. What the skin does. Your skin is truly remarkable. It's your body's first line of defense, an intelligent barrier that protects against pathogens. The skin is a physical and immunological shield. It regulates temperature through sweat and blood flow. It supports detoxification, helping to excrete waste products. It keeps you hydrated, maintaining fluid and mineral balance, supports sensation, helping you perceive the world around you through touch, pressure, pain, and temperature, and it acts as an endocrine organ, making vitamin D from UV light and producing other signaling molecules. With roughly 22 square feet of surface area, your skin is a living, breathing, highly active organ. So what damages the skin? Modern diets and environments place a huge burden on the skin. High sugar and refined carbohydrates, chronic hyperglycemia triggers advanced glycation end products, AGEs, that stiffen collagen and cause wrinkles, sagging, and discoloration. Seed oils and processed foods, rich in omega-6 fatty acids, these cause systemic and local inflammation, making skin prone to acne, rosacea, dermatitis. Nutrient deficiency, lack of vital micronutrients like retinol, zinc, and DHA compromises skin structure and its ability to heal. And oxidation and UV damage. High sugar and seed oil diets reduce antioxidant status, making skin more susceptible to UV-induced damage. Modern nutrition and skincare often focus on covering up the damage. Carnivore focuses on healing it from within. So how does carnivore heal and protect the skin? Carnivore approach restores and maintains skin health by stabilizing blood sugar. No more glucose and insulin spikes that degrade collagen and elastin. Restoring lipids and barrier health. Rich in essential fatty acids and cholesterol, animal foods support the skin's natural lipid barrier and delivering crucial nutrients. Animal-based nutrition provides skin building blocks like retinol, that's active vitamin A, for cellular turnover and collagen synthesis, zinc and selenium for antioxidant defense, glycine and proline for collagen structure and integrity, DHA and other omega-3 fatty acids for anti-inflammatory benefits. Reducing inflammation, removing seed oils and highly processed foods eliminates triggers for eczema, acne, psoriasis, and other skin conditions. Promoting healing, ample protein and micronutrients help the skin repair itself, reducing scarring and promoting resilience. With a carnivore approach, the skin goes from inflamed and distressed to resilient, supple, and vibrant. The outcome? People adopting a carnivore or animal-based lifestyle often notice fewer acne breakouts and improved complexion, reduced or eliminated rosacea, eczema, or psoriasis, improved skin elasticity, firmness, and hydration, reduced sensitivity and allergic reactions, and faster recovery from wounds and UV damage. Your skin doesn't just tolerate animal-based nutrition, it thrives on it. So, your skin is a reflection of what's happening inside your body. When you remove the toxins, reduce the oxidative load, and give your body the nutrition it was designed for, your skin can heal, repair, and glow from the inside out. In the next episode, we'll explore how a carnivore approach benefits another vital area of your health. So stay tuned, and if you've noticed improvements in your skin health by going carnivore, drop a comment and share your experience. If you like this video, click the thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you already have not. And thank you for watching. I'm John the Carnivore Teacher, and I'll see you soon.